We are excited to bring you an episode packed with fascinating information about some mind-blowing AI tools that can revolutionize your daily life, improve productivity, and save you time. Let's dive in. Our first tool is PDF-GPT. Ever found yourself overwhelmed with lengthy PDF documents? Here's your savior. PDF-GPT can condense any PDF into a concise summary, provide insights, or even answer specific questions you might have about the document. An invaluable tool for students or professionals dealing with extensive reading material. Moving forward, we have Parrot AI. This is the future of note-taking. Parrot AI can turn your video meetings into detailed notes and summaries. It's a smart way to keep a tab on important points discussed during a meeting. You can even invite Parrot AI into live calls. Quite an innovation, right? Next on the list, Adobe Enhance, a tool that can make your voice recording sound professional. It's like having a recording studio at your fingertips. Adobe Enhance uses AI to improve your voice quality and remove any unwanted noise. Perfect for podcasts, interviews, and more. Coming up next, InVideo AI. This tool can transform your ideas into videos instantly. With its AI text-to-video workflow, InVideo can create engaging video scripts based on prompts, and even generate a matching video. This is perfect for content creators and marketers alike. At the halfway mark, we introduce Perplexity, an AI-powered search engine. Perplexity uses GPT-3 and Bing to provide detailed answers to your queries, complete with references. It's like having a research assistant available 24/7. On to the final stop, Prime Voice. This tool can transform text into audio. Whether you're an author looking to create audiobooks or a blogger aiming to make your content more accessible, Prime Voice is your go-to tool. That's a wrap for today's video. Stay tuned for more exciting content about AI tools and technologies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.